Today we're taking a look at this baby car camera. Comes with a nice little manual. So here's the actual monitor itself. All your different accessories. Mounting bracket for mounting on your dash. And how that works is just simply, you'd have this on your dash already. Place this in, pop it in place, and just like that. Now you can adjust it, rotate it, twist it 360 degrees, however you want. Let's go ahead here. Your power supply for your on and off. And here's your camera. So let's go ahead and test this. Okay, so here we go. We're adjusting this camera. Give me a second here. So there we go. What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So you can adjust now. Sorry for the glare, guys. That glare is horrible. But you can see the camera is working. What's up? So you can adjust that camera lens, distance, whatever you guys want to do. Wow, that's actually a pretty nice camera. It's actually a really nice camera. You got plenty of length for setup. Again, you can adjust this, rotate it however you need. Very nice. It's more clear in person, guys, by the way. The camera's just being, the recording camera's being funny. But very nice, guys. Very, very nice.